Okay, so we are now looking at the paper pattern, like all the skills level exams of ACCA. We have three sections: Section A, B, and C. Section A and B are based on the MCQ style, where you do not need to show any workings, you just tick the right answer. In the Section A, you have 15 questions. Every question carries 2 marks, so that brings us to a total of 30 marks. Whereas in Section C, again, you will have 15 questions, but 5 questions per scenario. So you will have 3 scenarios and 5 questions for each scenario makes it 15 questions. So again, you have 30 marks. So you have a huge chunk of marks, which is 60 from this Section A and B. Okay. And my advice to you is that in the exam, you must be attempting Section A and B first, so to give yourself the best chance to pass this exam. Okay. We move to Section C, which is all structured questions, which you will be doing in Excel. And you have one 10 marker from any area of the syllabus. Again, Section A and Section B can also be from any area of the syllabus. Fine. Section C, 10 marker from any area of the syllabus. However, the 215 markers that we have are from, one is specifically from income tax and the other one is from corporation tax. Okay, and this would be human marked. Section C will be human marked. However, Section A and B are computer marked. Okay, so by looking at this whole picture, you must be getting the idea that there is no room for selective study. The examiner has made the structure of the exam in a way that he can test each and everything. Okay, and a lot of students who do not score well in the exam do this mistake of doing selective study. Okay, so I do not want you to fall in that trap, and I want you to study each and every aspect, because in the MCQs you're only going to lose marks if you have done this selective approach. Okay, so let's see. I hope we are doing well. And let's see. Okay, I've got a question here. Okay, yeah. Yes, we will be looking at those two questions in detail. One of the question is going to be for income tax. The other question is going to be for corporation tax. Okay. In the upcoming slides, I'm going to discuss all that in detail. So you do not have to worry. It is just an overview of the exam. Yeah, we will look on that thing in detail. So let's move on to the next one. So here we go.